Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. As we have some events coming up like Halloween, Thanksgiving coming, Christmas, so we will try to work with this type of niche. So I will upload video under this type of niche every day. So I request you to watch this video carefully from start to end, and you will research the niche what I have given you and work on your own. Then you can learn something new and generate good earning. So first of all, we go to Amazon Marketplace and our 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 today's niche is yams coloring book. Yams coloring book. So here there is search results only 70. So this is a profitable and micro niche. That yam poops dream collection. Yam poops dream collection. Yams poops stuff. This two related niche. This type here yams coloring book. The market is empty. So you can work yams coloring book and earn more revenue per month. Here you can see yams poops stuff coloring book. Here is review already 239. Here is review only yam poops dream collection 37. So there is a very profitable niche. We can check out. Trademark and copyright. There is no trademark record found of this niche. We can also check yam poops. No. So yam poops coloring book, there is a profitable niche. So I think there is a micro niche, and you will easily work this type of niche, and this is a safe niche from you. So, and as I say, if you create good cover and good manuscript and choose right keywords correctly, then you will able to rank your book on Amazon and earn more revenue from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. So thank you so much. Thank you all.